Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duet on Instagram Reels. Want to collaborate with someone on Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to duet on Instagram Reels using the remix feature. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to find Reels to remix. And to do that, just open Instagram and find a reel you want to duet. Let's go to the Reels section by clicking on the Reels button here icon, but if you're using a regular mobile version it will be displayed in the bottom. I'm using a tablet, so it's displayed in the left side because of the different layouts. Now when you find the reel you want to duet, tap on the three dots and here you're gonna choose if it's available. You're gonna select remix. Here click on remix. The second step is to choose a layout. Instagram offers two layout options: a side by side, split screen for best reactions, green screen for overlays. It says best for commentary, and that's it. As for the third step is to record your parts. And to do that, just tap on the record button to film your reaction or response, and also you can resize, reposition or edit your part as needed. As for the fourth step is to add effects and posts, and to do that use filters, stickers or text to enhance your remix. And in the end, tap on share and write caption and hashtags before posting. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to do it on Instagram Reels. Try this feature to collaborate, react and engage with more users. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.